As cities around the world continue to push forward on clean energy, Williams is at the vanguard of those efforts with cutting-edge technologies that deliver optimal indoor comfort and outperform other types of systems. Let's take a case in point. In Denver, Colorado, voters elected to implement the city's 80 by 50 Climate Action Plan, slash energy use 30% by 2030 and 50% by 2050. Additionally, all new commercial buildings are to be net zero energy by 2035. Denver's plan strategically targets buildings, transportation, and electricity generation to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. For those ambitious goals, let's head to Ground Zero, 1295 Mariposa Street. This is 4-story, 130-unit, design-build multifamily housing constructed in 2013. The building is part of a 5-phase development project by Denver Housing Authority. When DHA began building these units, it was decided that the nearly identical facilities would act as a shootout between 5 HVAC system types to determine which performs best in nearly identical facilities. Mariposa 2 features a conventional PTAC system. Mariposa 4 is supplied by VRF. Mariposa 7 utilizes a ground source heat pump system, and Mariposa 3 and 6 feature the IPS system produced by Williams Comfort Products. The 5th building uses combined gas heat and DX cooling. IPS, short for Integrated Piping System, utilizes the domestic water piping for hot and chilled water delivery to fan coil terminal units, dramatically reducing installation cost and time, while providing the comfort and controllability common to 4-pipe fan coil systems. IPS lowers first costs and hydronic equipment expenses without sacrificing indoor comfort. To monitor performance for the different types of systems, Williams initiated a 3-year study and partnered with Group 14 Engineering, who installed data loggers throughout the buildings with IPS systems installed. Water temperatures were recorded on each side of the chilled water heat exchanger, as well as the supply and return temperatures to the boilers, and ambient temperatures were recorded inside and outside of the buildings. On average, the study revealed that IPS utility costs are 11% lower than other types of systems. Utility cost comparisons of IPS versus the average of all non-IPS buildings show us that IPS outperformed the other types of systems for each month, especially in January of each of the 3 years studied. During this month, IPS outperformed the other systems by a factor of 100%. We also discovered that first cost expenses for IPS systems are less than other types of systems. Final construction costs, mechanical construction costs, and plumbing construction costs all add up to be lower than VRF, ground source heat pump, and PTAC systems. And as far as maintenance costs go, IPS is the winner in this category too. Comparing nearly identical buildings held by the same property manager and served by similar maintenance contractors, we learned that compared to buildings with PTAC and VRF systems, the IPS system at Mariposa 3 provided a 6 cents to 12 cents per square foot per year maintenance cost savings, respectively. For a 100,000 square foot building, these savings add up. With lower first costs, lower maintenance costs, and lower average energy costs than 4 other types of systems in similar buildings, the data shows us that IPS is clearly the way to go. This is actual metered data, not a theoretical energy study. No inflated efficiency ratings, just the cold hard data. Williams IPS, the proven leader in savings for first costs, operating, and maintenance. Take a look for yourself at h2oaccepted.org or visit the Williams Comfort Products website to learn more about IPS and how this cutting-edge technology can keep your occupants comfortable and enable comprehensive savings.